In this video you will learn how to add another account to your TikTok account. Make sure to watch the video till the end to know everything on how you can add a new account to your TikTok. Alright, let's get started. 1. Open TikTok. Launch the TikTok app on your Android device. 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. 3. Access Settings. Tap the three dots or lines in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. 4. Manage Accounts. Select Manage Accounts from the options. 5. Add Account. Tap on Add Account and choose the method you want to use, sign up or login. 6. Follow prompts. Enter your login details or sign up with your email, phone number. 7. Switching accounts. Once added, switch between accounts by going back to the profile and tapping on your username at the top. Enjoy TikTok. Start using your new account. Now this is how you can add a new account to your current account on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe and like this video. You can also share it to your friends to know how to do that. Until we meet, peace.